God has blessed me. Don't be mad at my blessings. Oh Lord, it's gonna get out of control.
They put me in such a good mood, and I swear.
Whew. Say whoo. Do that noise, baby. Hey, Jerry. I'm looking at my daughter Jordan. She's up. Let's go see. Hey, my daughter. Oh, you attacked the camera? That's her newest thing. She takes the camera off of here every morning. Good morning, my Jordan. Good morning, my Jordan. How you doing? You sleep good? What? Good morning, beautiful. Sleep good? You ready for breakfast? Full diaper. This is a full diaper. Lord. Got a brick. Changing that diaper, changing that diaper, changing that diaper. Hey. Why you pee so much? Do you drink in the middle of the night when daddy's not looking? Do you drink in the middle of the night? You try to hold it, okay? Hold the spoon. Good job. See, that's how you feed yourself. Yeah, you do it. You try. Eat. Eat. This takes practice. You scoop before you open your mouth and feed yourself. Yummy, yummy. All right, now you try. Go ahead. Scoop. All right, now to your mouth. Oh, good job. You're getting it. Slowly but surely. Baby steps. Baby steps. All right, now scoop. I know you're used to using your hands to fight. You're going to have to use your hands to feed yourself. Yummy, yummy. How's it going? Oh, she want to eat. Alright. Take your spoon. And you go scoop. Yes. Good job. I think oatmeal or grits is like the best thing to teach a kid. Oh, this helped Jerry learn how to feed herself oatmeal. Because just let them make a mess and just guide their hand and every single scoop until they just get used to it. So it's going to take time because my George, she's spoiled. She's spoiled. And that's because of daddy, you hear me? She's spoiled. But what baby shouldn't be spoiled? You know? What are we really talking about? Are we talking about these perfect angels being spoiled? My joy, why you have a goatee? Why you have a goatee, my joy? Why do you have a goatee, my joy? Huh, my joy? I know you don't want to work. Oh no, I know. Dad's gonna clean some of this up for you. Dad's gonna clean some of this up for you. Can't have my joy with no mustache. How my joy? TV WX Y and Z. Now you know your ABCs. There you go. Good job. Collateral damage. Oh Lord, it's starting to get out of control. Starting to get out of control. Starting to get out of control. Scoop, my joy. Scoop. Man. Hey guys. Hey Great Boss. How y'all doing? Hey Jerry. Say hi. We're gonna go up, do some heels. You gonna do some heels? Let's see. Look how beautiful. Guys, alright, it feels great out here today, y'all. That's art. I like that. I like that. Guys, cameras right there. Come on. You want to go down?
Down.
Uh-oh, it's very steep. It's your first time. You want to go?
Down.
Hold my hand.
No.
Hold my hand. Let's go.
No.
Yeah, we did it. Give Daddy a hug. Oh, yeah, my big boy. Woo. Woo. Say whoo.
You the real MVP. You had fun with your bubbies?
Yeah, I just want to do some hills with him, get a little exercising, you know? He loved it. He ran to the top, he lost his shoe.
Aww.
Jordan was sleeping, so Dee stayed in the car while she took a nap, so.
We are on our way to the store. I'm gonna go make some redfish tonight. Black and redfish. Jerry loves it from that restaurant that we go to downtown from time to time. It's called Deanie's. He absolutely loves that fish.
Yeah.
So I'm going to try and replicate how they made it.
Oh, I'm looking forward to it. I'm excited. I'm too excited.
Leaving out. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. I'm gonna show you guys. It's nice and fresh. Just gotta season it. I'll probably record this and put this on my Queen Bee Fitness channel too, so you guys can use the recipe if need be. And I'm not gonna touch this door because Jerry will scream at me.
You're learning. I got you, girl.
Thanks, honey.
Jerry, tell mommy what you kept saying.
Mommy.
Oh, my boys. Man, redfish is pretty expensive.
Because it's delicious, you hear me?
Just for 2 fillets, it was $45.
I'm gonna eat it right too.
Oh, not 2 fillets, 2 whole fish. So you pay for the head and the tail and stuff.
You pay for that. Do that noise, baby. Can any of y'all do that Nicki Minaj noise? All our ladies out there. Huh? What if I would have backed up, I would have hit the old lady.
What? Well, I'm glad you didn't. I got a big bat.
Babe, are we gonna do a dance every day?
Heck yeah, it's fun. Do y'all like it?
Do y'all like it? Cause D be getting it. I'm not, you know, I do my same old 2-step. I try to spice it up a little bit by doing something. But D be getting all her shoulder and back into it. Look at D with the murdered out outfit, except for that white. You been on your best behavior?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a section you want to keep away from if you're trying to focus on losing weight. Keep away from all this section. Just close your eyes. Do like this through that section. Just close your eyes and walk through this section. You don't want that trouble. All the calories, all the sugar that just sits in you. See all that? See? That's a no-no. How am I doing? Let me get your boogers. Let me get your boogers. Let daddy get your boogers. Let daddy get your boogers, I said. You're gonna have to go your whole life, you're gonna get your own boogers. I'm getting them for you. This is a blessing. This is a luxury. You hear me? This is a luxury. That I'm able to get your boogers for you, mother boy. You should be thanking me. Say thank you. What's your name?
Thank you.
What is it?
My mommy.
What's your name? Jerry. Jerry what? Jerry LaVigne.
Mommy.
Say Jerry LaVigne. Bean. Face like a man.
Man.
What? What? Okay, girl. See what those two. Ooh, it smells good right here. Just this section alone, too. You gotta close your eyes for this one, too. Look, y'all, let me show y'all something. Y'all see this? They have GEAUX tigers. So pretty much EAUX is like a O. So Tostitos knows how to Mardi Gras. So that's all it is. The Louisiana thing, it's a Creole thing. I think it may be French. I think it's French. I just know it's a part of my, it's ingrained in me. I just know it to be that way, you know. I'm sure the origin is something French. A lot of stuff down here is Creole or French, you know, derivative. Even though the French Quarter was made by Spanish, the Spanish. And the French stole it because they're gangster. What, my joy? What? Hey, what you about to get?
I guess a skillet.
Jeez.
It's heavy. So we need one. But I want to go to Bed Bath & Beyond. Like, we need some more, like, pots and stuff.
She a keeper. She shopping for pots and pans, yo. I know all the fellas out there, y'all jealous. Y'all jealous. God has blessed me. Don't be mad at my blessings. That my lady is shopping for pots and pans. I like it. I like it. Waffles? Yes. That my waffles. How rate you? got one. And I have kids. I was.
This is heavy.
What? I have 2 babies.
I have a huge 50-pound skillet. This is what we do when our babies nap. Look at Mama go. Oh, look at that redfish, you guys. I told y'all I would show you. So yeah, I'm getting ready to cook this, and I'll probably film a Queen Bee Fitness. Putting cooking videos there once every week. Maybe twice, I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but for sure at least once a week. And I'm gonna start posting there. My new schedule over on that channel is Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. If you haven't, head over to my channel and subscribe. Yeah, so just like prepping everything. Just got out of one of my classes on my way home to cook some dinner. How are y'all doing today? How have y'all been liking the vlogs? Jerry's been working super hard, and man, the last few nights our bedtime, we didn't go to bed like the last 3 or 4 nights till about 3 or 4 in the morning. And I remember one night Jerry actually went to bed at like 6. I don't know, was that last night? No, the night before. So we've been working really hard, so we really hope y'all are enjoying the vlogs. For class, Jerry sent me this link. Jimmy Fallon, Will Ferrell, and Kevin Hart, they did this lip-syncing dance-off. It was so funny. Oh my goodness. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, YouTube it, look it up. It is hilarious. If you guys feel like having a good laugh, they had me cracking up before class. It put me in such a good mood, and I swear I was like, I don't know if it was a good idea to watch it like a few minutes before class, because I was still thinking about the dance like the first 15 minutes. But oh my goodness, if you guys want a good laugh, please check that video out. Just look it up on YouTube. Just put like Will Ferrell, Kevin Hart, Jimmy Fallon lip sync dance off. It is hilarious.
Okay. Where's my Jordan? Peekaboo! 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 Peekaboo!